Welcome to Arena Skincare channel. Today I want to drop a recipe on how you can make your Russia white lotion. Stay tuned, I'll be right back, please. Welcome back. Today I would like to drop a recipe on how you can make your Russia white lotion. When you want to make your Russia white lotion, your first recipe should be Uri white lotion. You get 1 bottle of Uri white lotion and pour to your bowl, and you add your 2 Ladacaros tube. When you are getting your Ladacaros tube, we have different types in the market. We have the one that contains carrots, we have the one that contains orange. But when you want to get your Ladacaros tube in the market, make sure you get the one that have shea butter. So the third ingredient is your whitening oil. I so much love whitening oil because it won't leave any dark spots behind. It will get rid of your dark spots, and that is why I'm using whitening oil as the third recipe on the list. And the fourth recipe is your Filipinian set. Get your Filipinian set and mix it together thoroughly and add to it. Then the fourth recipe on my list is a Vortex injection whitening serum. I call it serum because it works just like serum. So like I call it serum, or you can call it any name you like, but I call it serum. So you just get the half. You're not going to use the whole bottle. You get half of it and add to your lotion. So when you mix very well, if you don't have a machine, you can use your hand to mix very well to have a smooth texture. Then after the mixing, you get your container. Make sure you pack it very well. Or if you are using at home, you can use it. You don't need to add any preservative because everything you use there has no water, so you don't need to add your preservative. So if you find this recipe useful or helpful, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my channel.